Braulio has hiccups for no reason for half an hour already. We just got home. Wait, let me zoom out. It is 5:45. We went clubbing and we went to hookah. And this nigga is dunzo, drunk. This is why he has hiccups. Cold sweats?
No. No.
He just ate a pickle too. Hiccup.
Stop. No.
What's your favorite color?
Red.
What size are your pants?
These are my regular.
What does your shirt say?
Ciao.
No, it don't. That was the other shirt you were wearing earlier.
Orgasm donor.
How old are you?
Okay, what?
How old are you?
18.
What's your name?
Eve.
Cut.